So this is a classic probability exam question. It will be seen on a higher paper and possibly towards the end of the back of a foundation paper. Either way, have a go at it, see how you get on. Shakir has to complete 2 tests. He can either pass or fail each test. The probability that will pass the first test is 0.87, and they've got that written down ready for you here. Now, one thing you need to remember is they must all equal to 1. So to do that, you could do 1 subtract 0.87, and that will give you your answer on the calculator of 0.13. I know that 0.13 plus 0.87 equals 1. So that's done. Let's tick that off. If he passes the first test, the probability he will pass the second test is 0.94. Do the same again. And then finally, he fails the first test, the probability he will pass the second test is 0.73. So that's if, sorry. So the second test is 0.73. It's a pass. Which gives us 0.27. I know I've worked it out and shown you guys this because if you are on a foundation and you want to have a go at it, I'm sure you'd want to know how I got the answer. So that's all filled in. The probability tree diagram, all the information's there, ready for us to move on to B. Now B has the 3 marks, so we really have to think about this. But I have got a way, hopefully, you will find easier with less writing down. So work out the probability that Shakir passes at least one of the tests. At least one of the tests. So to find the probability he fails both. Now I'm going to say he fails both. This is because if he passes one of the tests, he doesn't fail both. Doing it this way, we will have the probability he passes at least one. So what we do is we find the probability, subtract it from 1. So to do that, we're going to do, I could do it here actually, the probability that he fails equals 0.13 times 0.27, which equals 0.0351. Okay, so that's the fail. Do you all understand that? There is a longer way of doing it, but I like to try and keep things as simple as possible instead of writing them all down and working it all out. So the answer is 1, because it's got to be out of 1, minus which equals 0.9649. And that's the answer. So I can understand how some people will find that a little bit confusing. But if you look, this is the only one to say fail. So we've used those, okay? So that is 3 marks. If you do want to see the other version where I'm putting in pass, fail, pass, and all those kind of lovely things, let me know and I'll do one. But I just think this is so much easier. Okay, take care, guys. Bye.